Segregation City Incorporation, we have an important message from the state in which we represent.
The City of Milwaukee has been targeted to present an idea that has been created to eliminate equality. We call this idea segregation. The objective of segregation is to operate the people and to place them into categories.
Those categories rely on these two factors: race and class. Due to these factors, Milwaukee has the highest tally of segregation among all larger U.S. urban areas.
In order to keep this plan stable, the state has created and fortified residential segregation throughout the city by using the transit system. There are 411 buses that operate in this plan structure, and around 151,000 people, including you, who use and depend on them on a weekly basis. The number 19 bus running north to south proves that this plan structure is in order.
Here is the route of the 19th bus.
This plan structure is how we have divided the city into 4 parts. The blacks occupy the north. The rich occupy downtown. The Hispanics occupy the south. The whites occupy the outskirts. Each race and class has their own labels that we have created.
This is one side of the inner city. It is also referred to as the ghetto or the hood. Here, the houses are old and run down. The streets are not maintained, where liquor stores overrule jobs and schools, and where the dangers of crime excel through poverty. This is the life of the black profile.
And this is where you will live and die.
Here is the headquarters of the state. This is where the rich and the powerful control you, the people. The buildings that occupy this region are reminders as to who has the power. The state has the power. The power to control the jobs you have, the life you live, and the future of it all. This is the control center of the city.
The fate of your lives is generated by our power.
This is the other side of the inner city, also known as the South Side. It is the region of cheap labor and poor resources. About 13% of the population lives here, including the other immigrants and illegals who are also in poverty. Big families are kept in a limited space so that we can track their lives. This area is concentrated with this race due to their lack of maintaining American abilities.
Stay within your boundaries. This is your only option.
This is the outskirts of Milwaukee, also known as the suburbs, where jobs are maintained and where the people are safe. The houses are owned and well kept. The children have a greater chance at succeeding in life. This area continually keeps away any potential threats from other races that may cause a decrease in their privileges. This is the white profile.
And this is the American dream. Now that you are aware of this plan, realize the labels that have been placed upon you. Nationwide, blacks have been concentrated in the inner city, far away from where the new jobs are created. They die. The Hispanics have limitations on their abilities that we take advantage of. They die. Whites are the closest thing to us, for they are given the opportunities that no other race has. They die less. Downtown is the system. The transit is the system. The state is the system. We live.